Hi again, it's Dave from Louët. I want to talk about the Victoria art yarn kit. So what you get with the art yarn kit is a Irish tension head that'll fit over top of the Victoria, a locking bolt system, and a drive band that's a special size for this attachment. So I'm going to go through the process of showing you how that this art yarn head attaches. So attaching the art yarn head, first of all, you'll see I've removed the flyer, standard flyer for the Victoria, I've removed the drive band, and I've disconnected the footman here. Please disconnect the footman so you can put the new drive band in place. So we'll lay that over top so that it's inside, and we can reconnect the footman. The art yarn head, the inside has a few notches here. That's to make space for the screw heads that attach the leather carrying strap on the side here. So it's going to slide back like that. I'll give you a close-up of that. You see the notches, the strap is forward. And we're just sliding this over in place. Once that's in place, take the locking screw system and put it in the holes where there's a nut already embedded, and you just screw until they're tight. That's good and snug. Take the drive band and put it up over top here. Set it on top of the flyer bearing so that it's out of the way while you're putting the flyer on. So now you can take any S10 flyer that you might have and it will function perfectly. So if you already have S10s or S10 concepts, you can use flyers and bobbins from those wheels on the Victoria art yarn head, which is a really nice feature in that you don't have to add or buy additional parts. You may already have an art yarn flyer or bobbins, bulky bobbins. If you do not, you'll need to order these. So the bobbin and flyer gets put together as I just did. And then you're going to place the flyer, end of the flyer goes into the bobbin bearing, and it lays over top of the brass bearing. Brake strap gets connected. So last but not least, we'll put the drive band on. Just attach to the main wheel, bring it up over top of the bobbin. As anyone who's done this knows, might take an extra try. There, so on the main wheel. Now we've got it on the wheel, and away we go. And that's your art yarn head for the Victoria, showing the art yarn flyer and the bulky bobbin from Louët. Hi again. So standard items that come with the Victoria, it's everything you see and I showed in the video. Plus you get a lazy cape with 2 extra bobbins, so a total of 3 bobbins. The Victoria bag is an optional item. Very sturdy zippers, front compartment for storage, and a large compartment to place the wheel. Nice handy backpack straps. Very functional bag for the Victoria.